Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the router environment. Log in with admin credentials and connect over Ethernet to avoid drops. Once logged in, back up the current configuration and note firmware version so you can revert if needed. Next, gather the IP ranges, VLAN ID, and any bandwidth caps you want to enforce. These values drive the rules you will create. Make sure CoS features are supported in the firmware menu before proceeding to configuration screens. Now you configure the CoS policies. Enable the CoS engine and select class-based or priority queuing depending on router capability. Class-based is more precise. Create classes such as voice, video, and bulk, assigning guaranteed and maximum bandwidth values to each so critical traffic stays responsive. Then map traffic to classes using IP addresses, MAC, ports, DSCP markings, or VLAN ID. This mapping ensures the router recognizes and treats flows correctly during congestion. Apply your changes and, if recommended, reboot the router to ensure rules load cleanly. Once up, test under realistic conditions. Place a voice call, stream video, and run concurrent speed tests to confirm priority flows maintain quality. Measure latency and packet loss to validate behavior. If things go wrong, inspect router logs, verify DSCP and classifier mappings, and review class bandwidth totals for math errors. If necessary, restore the backup and adjust values in smaller increments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.